So as of right now, we only got one dump trailer load of stone dust here. I'm supposed to have 2, but he hasn't gotten the second one yet, so gonna probably spread this now while he goes and gets the other one. Either that, or I'm just gonna leave it for now, wait till he gets the second one, then spread them both at the same time. But I think I'm gonna start by just taking this load, getting the bad spots filled in. See, we got some stuff down there, 2 big ones there, need some there, need a little there. We got 3 potholes right over here, put a little there. We got a washout, goes right through here, so let's see what I can do with that. All right, so I just finished spreading everything. As you can see, both piles are spread. It's looking pretty good. I just got a little raking to do, and I'm gonna head back to the house. So see you guys in a minute. So I parked the skid steer over there and shut it off while I was raking, and I came back and noticed some drip spots on the ground. And so I looked under, and I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but there's oil on the bottom of the undercarriage, and it's coming from up in these holes right here, up there on both sides, which means that we probably blew a hose inside that undercarriage, which wouldn't be surprising because we already blew one not too long ago this year. Sadly, I don't have any way of getting home other than here, and there's a field, and then our house, my house is over there, so I'm gonna have to cut down through there, across the field there, and back home, or I walk down the road. So all right, let's get a move on. I decided to take the road route because if I went to the field, I'd have to climb over some barbed wire fences and climb through a ravine, and with all the stuff I'm carrying, that would be a pain. So I'm about halfway there now.